Hello, in front of me I've got Garmin CamperVan navigation. In this video I'll show you how to change map settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter map display. Now you can change map vehicle icon, driving map view between 3D, north up, track down, track up. You can change map detail between more, normal and less. You can change map theme, map layers, enable or disable auto zoom, check maps you've got installed and update your maps. And then you can go further to next settings. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.